Next, let's look at cyber attackers. There are different types of attackers. Some cyber attackers can range from amateur to organized, right? And they will try anything in their hands to get people's personal information. And they are often categorized as white, gray, or black hat hackers. Let's look at the amateurs, for example, or starting from the list. The term script kiddies emerged in 1990s and refers to amateur or inexperienced hackers who use existing tools or instructions found on the internet to launch attacks. So some of these script kiddies are just curious. They could be students like you who are new to the cybersecurity world who just go and search on the internet how to hack Wi-Fi passwords, and then they see YouTube videos on how to carry out or hack a Wi-Fi password, and they carry out this attack by themselves using the scripts they find online. So it could just be curiosity, it could just be them trying to demonstrate their skills, and they may cause a huge harm. So while these white hat attackers may use basic tools, their attack can still be devastating. So let's look at hackers now generally. So this group of attackers break into computer systems or network to gain access. Depending on the intent of the break-in, they can be classified into white hat hackers, gray hat hackers, and black hat hackers. So white hat hackers, these are the good guys, right? So they break into networks or computer systems to identify weaknesses so that security of the system or network can be improved. So these break-ins or this attacking are done with permission from the owner or the organization. So they can call them ethical hackers, right? So white hat hackers can be called ethical hackers. We also have gray hat hackers. So these ones they may just decide to explore an organization, find out the vulnerabilities that the organization have. So they will not only report their findings to the owners of a system if doing so coincides with their agenda. So they might even publish details about the vulnerability on the internet so that other attackers can exploit it. They can also even sell that information to attackers. Lastly, black hat hackers. So this ones they take advantage of any vulnerability they can find for a legal, personal, and financial gain, or even political gain. And lastly, I talked about organized hackers as the highest. So these are a group of cyber criminals. They are a group of activists, they are a group of terrorists, and they are a group of state-sponsored hackers. So they are usually sophisticated and organized and may even provide cybercrime as services to other criminals. Now, activists make political statements to create awareness about issues that are important to them, just so that they can propagate their own ideas or agenda. Then, state-sponsored attackers they get intelligence or commit sabotage on behalf of their government. So they are usually highly trained and well funded, and their attacks are focused on specific goals that are beneficial to their government. Cyber attackers can originate from within or outside the organization. So this is speaking of the internal or external threats. So when a threat is internal, it means that a company's employee or contract staff or trusted partner can has accidentally or intentionally done what mishandled confidential information or facilitate outside attacks by connecting infected USB media to organization system. They've invited malware into the organization's network by clicking on malicious links, phishing mails, and or they have threatened the operations of internal services or servers or network infrastructure devices. Now, when a threat is external, this could be amateurs or skilled attackers outside the organization. So they just try to um, exploit vulnerabilities that they find in the network, gain unauthorized access to computing devices, and or use social engineering to gain unauthorized access to organizational data.